Hey, Coach Greg here at Spell Training, and today I want to show you 5 core exercises that are going to help you burn fat and feel great. These are going to be all standing, so no need to get down on the ground. It's going to be very quick, so grab some water and let's have some fun. Alrighty, to start us off, we have the good old step jack. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Now, as we always know, normal jumping jack is like this, but our step jack, we keep the arm movement, but instead we are stepping to the side instead of jumping, hence step jack. But this is a great full body, not only a warm up, but also activates your core. So focus on keeping that core nice and tight. The arms overhead helps stretch out our obliques, and the stepping out to the side activates our lower abs. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have a knee raise with a twist. We're gonna focus on bringing one knee up. As we do, we are twisting to that side, just like that. 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Stand up nice and tall. You want your knee to be doing the work. We're focusing on our lower abs here, and that twist is gonna work out those obliques. There it is. Doing amazing. Boom. Keep that knee as high as you can go. Twist over to that side. You don't have to worry about trying to speed through this. That doesn't matter. Intentions and intensity matter. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We are moving along. Next, we have some side crunches. Really gonna focus on those obliques. Hands behind your head, feet pat shoulder width apart. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We're bringing up one knee to the side, letting our elbow meet it, and we're doing the other side. Just like that. Boom. Really focus on crunching over to that side. Which way do I go? This way. Boom. Got myself all turned around. Now, if this is too much for you, focus on just doing one side at a time, and then the next. Whatever you want. It's your world, baby. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Fourth exercise, we have some good mornings. This is exercise you wouldn't really think activates your core, but it does. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Feet are shoulder width apart. I'm hinging from my hips. You're gonna feel it a lot in your legs, but keep your core tight. Suck your belly button to your spine and power yourself up through your hip flexors. My core is activated the whole time. You can have your hands behind your back like this. You can have your hands on your head. Arms over, like straight out in front of you if you'd like. Whatever you want, but focus on your belly. Boom. There it is. And you're gonna, again, you're feeling it up in here, but your core is also activating everything. One more, and done. Last exercise, we have the standing front crunch. It's gonna be similar to our knee raise with the twist, but we're focusing on crunching forward instead. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're driving one knee up, but now we're crunching forward to meet it. Boom. Just like this. Get the knee as high as you can. We're activating our lower abs, our upper abs, everything. Focus on a squeeze when you're at the top like this. Again, it's not about speed. It's about the squeeze. Boom. Come on, let's finish strong. One more squeeze and down. There you have it, those are your 5 exercises. Grab some water. We got 2 more sets coming your way. Now you know exactly what you're doing. I'm stopping talking. Music is going up. And we're gonna have some fun. Here we go. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Knee raise with a twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Side crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Good mornings, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing front crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. One more set to go. Grab some water if you need to, but we're gonna finish strong with this last set. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Knee raised with a twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Side crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Good mornings, 3, 2, 1, go. Standing front crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. Those are your 5 core exercises. Hopefully you are sweating and you feel good. You got that dopamine, everything rushing through your veins, ready to tackle your day. Feel free to do another set if you want. But we also got plenty of other workouts on our YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out from Coach Mayer, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. Also, click the notification bell if you haven't already to stay on top of any new videos and recipes coming your way. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.